The International Network of People Who Use Drugs welcomed the thematic focus on harm reduction in the current ViiV Positive Action Challenge, and particularly its focus on funding community-led initiatives. Harm reduction funding is in crisis, with only a fraction of what is needed being available to ensure that people who use drugs can access appropriate healthcare. Within this, peer-led service delivery has always been critically under-resourced, and in today's climate, it's become more of a concern as we're seeing growing threats to our legitimacy and the downplaying of our critical role. This is why the ViiV Community Strategic Initiative is so important for us, because it is the only fund out there that is available to us that prioritizes the resourcing of work carried out by people who use drugs. We are 22 times more likely to be living with HIV than the general population, but yet we're rarely given these opportunities to devise, craft, and implement solutions that we know will work. Community-led organisations have always been the backbone of the HIV response. We've often been the first to respond in times of crisis, whether this is through ensuring that peers have access to sterile needles and syringes to prevent HIV, or naloxone to reverse overdoses. The role of the community to act as a bridge between peers and the healthcare system is critical, and has become even more so in the time of COVID. We're able to reach those that are most difficult to reach due to criminalisation, stigma, and discrimination. So Positive Action challenged organisations to come up with innovative solutions, and I'm very pleased to see a range of peer-led networks being funded to either start or continue their work in Eastern Europe, Central Asia, Afghanistan, and Nepal, just to name a few. So the ViiV Positive Action Community Strategic Initiative aligns with community-led advocacy and caucusing of HIV 2020, a conference that INPUD is a co-organizer on. So I think these themes are important, to emphasize, as we think about and celebrate and honor the work of community-led organizations. So the themes are, one, to look at how we can build safe and friendly spaces that promote equitable exchange of information, knowledge, and practice. Two, to be promoting community-led solutions and good practice. Three, to be amplifying community voices whenever possible. Four, to demonstrate the importance of meaningful community involvement. Five, to reaffirm commitments to community, which I think that this initiative does. And finally, to look at modelling innovative approaches for deliberating new research, tools and strategies and their real life implications with communities as equal partners. So just finally, congratulations to those that were awarded the Community Strategic Initiative. I'm very much looking forward to reading about the important work that is carried out, and also to learn from some of the tools and strategies that emerge through this fund. Thank you.